the Brighton office chair.
The cost was $159 Australian dollars.
Here are the parts. Let's go through them together.
Number 1 is the base of the chair. The material is hard plastic.
Number 2. The armrests. They feel like soft leather with foam underneath. Hard plastic makes up the rest.
Number 3. The part where you lean your back on is mesh. Hard plastic makes up the rest.
Number 4. The lever to adjust the chair height is mainly metal. There are plastic parts also.
Number 5. The seat feels like soft leather with foam underneath.
Number 6. Accessories include screws, plugs, hex key, and gas lift including cover.
Here are the parts with the wrapping removed.
Armrest 1.
Armrest 2.
Gas lift.
Star base.
Wheels for the star base.
Back support.
Seating.
Lever to adjust height.
Instructions.
Screws, plugs, Allen key.
Let's assemble the chair.
Turn the star base upside down. Put the wheels into the 5 holes.
It should look something like this. You need a bit of strength to push it in all the way.
The 5 wheels have been put in. Turn the star base right side up.
Insert the gas lift. I call it the spine.
Put on the gas lift cover.
Time to assemble the back support and the arm rests. You will need the 4 screws from part J and the Allen key from part M.
Turn the back support upside down. There will be screw holes to attach the arm rests. This is the left armrest.
Use the Allen key to turn the screw.
The left arm is done. Next is the right arm.
Both arms are done.
Time to do the seat.
Turn the seat upside down. The word front should face up.
Align the 4 screw holes on the seat with the holes on the backrest. You will need the 4 screws in part I and the Allen key.
Once you have screwed in all the screws, the chair should now look like this.
Now to install the height adjustment lever. The 4 screw holes are located at the bottom of the seat.
To install the lever, you will need the 4 screws in part K and the Allen key provided.
We now have the top part of the chair and the bottom part assembled. We just need to put them together.
After putting the top half on the bottom half of the chair, ensure you put in the plugs provided from part L.
The chair is assembled. Let's take a look from different angles.
Nicely done, Tanko T. That chair looks quite comfortable.
Thank you. It is indeed comfortable.